Best deals.
1. Modular drawer. The installation of these plastic drawer cases is very simple without tools, and it is easy to put them together. The quality of this product is PP, which is durable and easy to clean. Durable wheels make it easy and convenient to pull in and out from anywhere. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Jumbo Sari Cover. Perfect solution for storing saris in one place and easily seeing through the front transparent window. Make more space at home with our products. The high-quality two-way zipper is more sturdy and not easy to break. The handle is sewn with 2 layers of thick fabric to improve load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cupboard. A movable multipurpose cupboard with transparent doors and a large storage space that offers good organization. The cupboard includes wheels for effortless movement and a collapsible structure for simple assembly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Laundry basket. Is constructed from heavy-duty Oxford fabric and durable plastic rods. Just install the tubes in the grooves and you are done. Prop this laundry organizer hamper in your bath or bedroom, then roll it away when it's laundry time. Laundry bag with cover conceals smelly clothes while also keeping your dirty laundry out of sight. Inner surface of this laundry bag trolley is moisture resistant and perfect for dry or wet laundry. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Foldable box. Use it for stacking, storing, organizing and transporting. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Trolley. The storage cart with wheels is made of high-quality plastic which is waterproof and scratch-resistant. Rolling storage shelves provide excellent stability and durability. Effortless mobility. Storage shelves with 360-degree swivel casters, 2 of them with metal locks that make the cart easily moved around are locked in place. The rolling rack has a flexible handle to easily move the car around your home without any difficulty. The 3-tier storage organizer provides a large storage space that can be used as a bookshelf, kitchen cart, baby room cart, storage shelves, beauty cart and other organization office. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage box. Easy to move wheels, smooth rounded corners, and a smooth interior. The storage box offers a worry-free solution for kids to store their toys, clothes, and various items independently. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Laundry trolley. Mover is divided into 3 row layers, taking up less space and having more storage capacity. Hollow design and dense ventilation to prevent odor. Laundry basket has 2 kinds of portable handles, convenient and free, handheld on both sides for lifting heavy objects more stable, also for your convenience. Mover is perfect for sorting clean and dirty clothes, sheets, towels, toys, vegetables, fruits and more. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Laundry basket. Sturdy and strong. Handles a large load of laundry and clothes. Stands by itself without any support. Inner surface is moisture resistant and perfect for dry or wet laundry. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Clothes organizer. Sturdy and strong, built on metal frame structure. Available in 4 sizes for your varying needs and space. Top opening and front opening options for ease of use. Transparent front and side view window for easy identification of garments inside. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer storage box. When not in use, you can easily fold the box and store it anywhere. It occupies very little space, very useful in keeping things handy near your bed, study table, living area. Teach the art of staying organized to your kids with these lovely organizer for kids. The storage organizer has your kids' loving character on them with exclusive child-safe prints. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Storage organizer trolley. Crafted using eco-friendly materials, ensuring a safe and non-toxic storage solution for children. The open design of the rack allows you to quickly glance at the items stored within, making it convenient to find what you need. This rack consists of multiple layers, providing ample storage space to accommodate various items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Transparent storage box. This transparent wardrobe storage boxes are easy to carry and are dust and moisture proof. Also comes with dual zipper closure, used to easily identify your essentials from its transparent look. No need to find your clothes in mesh, they are just nylon PVC box. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage box. This box for home can be used for books, toys, or even kitchen items, which provides a single solution for multiple needs because of its versatile design. For kitchen, helps you organize crockery and utensils because it is foldable and compact, which maximizes your kitchen space efficiently. This mini cupboard is easy to move around while being sturdy enough to hold various items, which ensures long-lasting use and flexibility. This grocery storage cabinet is quick to set up without needing tools because of its simple design, which makes it convenient for anyone to assemble. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Corner shelf. Modern bathroom furniture, great for small spaces, easy to move or carry outside. Storage unit with doors and shelves, cut the right size to keep extra toilet paper and hand towels, great to put in the bathroom between the tub and the toilet. Small cabinets for bathroom storage, narrow bathroom cabinet, freestanding to store toilet papers and bathroom accessories. Scroll storage cabinet made of environment-friendly wood and plastic mixed material, stronger cardboard, wooden plastic composite, without any painting, with lightweight, waterproof, fire retardant, moisture proof, BPA and formaldehyde free, non-toxic, odorless, never fading, safe and eco-friendly, worked great in the bathroom. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Stackable closet box. Constructed from premium polypropylene, this super strong clothes organizer features reinforced frames and sidewall construction, ensuring long-lasting stability. Ideal for wardrobe storage and organizing clothes. Its neutral design complements any space, making it a practical addition to your home. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage bins. Has two flip-top lid, which can prevent from dust and stains reaching in. Each bin has a removable center divider for 2-compartment storage containers or remove for a full box organizer. What's more, these storage bins have handles on front, which is convenient to carry. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Shoe storage box. Crafted with high-quality, breathable materials, our shoe boxes are not only sturdy but also foldable for convenient storage when not in use. Transparent front panel design allows you to see your shoes at a glance, making it easy to find the perfect pair for any occasion. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Drawer. Large-sized racks with ample storage capacity to hoard multiple objects such as magazines, A4 size books, and other smaller items. Robust racks with flat base allow the systematic organization of items. Crafted from high-quality virgin PP plastic, makes it sturdy and avoids bends. Has a visually appealing cuboidal design drawer set. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Drawers. Small cupboard fits perfectly in tight spaces because of its sleek design that provides ample storage without occupying too much room. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Laundry basket. Can be effortlessly folded when not in use, making it perfect for small living spaces where storage is at a premium. Product link is given in the 22nd link. Thanks for watching.